Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing Maven build issues in Eclipse, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Maven is a powerful build automation tool widely used in Java projects. While it simplifies dependency management and build processes, issues can still arise. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and fixing common Maven build problems within Eclipse, complete with code examples to illustrate practical solutions. Understanding the basics, why Maven builds fail in Eclipse. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand why Maven builds might fail in Eclipse. 1. Dependency issues *. Missing dependencies *. A declared dependency is not available in any configured repository. Version conflicts *. Multiple dependencies require conflicting